One of the methods that I enjoy the most when brewing coffee is the Chemex. I enjoy the clean cup that comes out of it. It's very easy to clean, it's not expensive. It's just an all-around amazing thing to have. You're gonna love this thing. Today, I'm gonna share with you the method that I use every morning. The things you need to make really good coffee are first your water. This water is at 205 degrees. Then you need your Chemex and you need your filter for the Chemex. It's been folded. If you unfold it, it looks like this. You want to open it and leave 3 pieces of paper on one side. The 3 pieces of paper, they go on this little thing on the front. We're gonna grab our water and we're gonna rinse our Chemex. This is so that you don't catch any paper flavor. It also helps you preheat your Chemex. Okay. I've already ground my grounds and we're gonna grind them medium coarse for this matter. That's gonna allow a brewing of 3 minutes. You don't want it to over brew or under brew, and I found that the medium coarse is probably the best ground level. For this recipe, we're gonna use 30 grams of coffee and 390 grams of water. That's a ratio of 1:13. So the first thing we're gonna do is a bloom, and that means that we're gonna do like a pre-infusion. Is 30 grams of coffee, so we're gonna use 60 grams of water. Make sure all of our grounds are wet. Now we're going to add water, and we want to go on the sides. We don't want to go all the way in the edge, and we don't want to go all the way in the middle. We want to go like on the sides on a circular motion, slow. We're gonna add water until we get to 290 grams. And this is our first pour. And there you have it. That's my recipe for making coffee with the Chemex. If you want to experiment, go ahead. Try different ratios, try different methods. That's the beauty of coffee. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to the website where you can get this coffee. It's La Cosecha Coffee. We can get you coffee from Guatemala, Nicaragua, Ethiopia, Honduras, and if there's an origin that you would like me to purchase, then shoot me a message. I'll probably get it for you.